Alright, now this video is for those of you that are still asking me how you can get content for cookbooks. There is no rocket science to that, and I think I've discussed this several times on how you can get content of any book. You can get it from Chatgpt, you can get it from the Google, that is the web, and some other places. So when it comes to ChatGPT, ChatGPT can give you some relevant suggestions which you can use to make up your own book. Google will also give you. But in all of them, what you need is creativity. Do you understand? What you need is what? Creativity. Now, for example, if you want to know about honest diet, maybe you can come to YouTube. You can come to YouTube and find something like that. Now you can type something like honest diet. You can see recipes here. You can see honest meditation. You can see honest lifestyle medicine. In fact, honest Alzheimer study. You can even get book ideas from this place, from YouTube. You understand? In fact, I don't just know. You can get ideas from here. YouTube is a very big place that you can help yourself from. If you click on this honest diet here, then you can look at healing through honest diet. You can come down here, you will see this diet for honest. Okay, let me just keep going. If you don't get what you are looking for, you can type how to make honest diet. Okay, how to cook the honest universal style. You can get ideas from this. Do you understand? You can get ideas. So when you are through with getting ideas about all these things, you can watch 1 or 2 videos here to have an idea. Or if you need pictures, you can. Then you come over to ChatGPT here. ChatGPT. Alright. Now we are modeling a book now. You understand? Then we come over to this place. We click on this first one. Let's assume that we are modeling this first one, this ultimate honest diet. You understand? All I have to do is you just have to copy. When you copy it down here, alright, when you copy it, move over to ChatGPT and I can use like suggest table of contents of, then I'll paste, or you can say write me the table of contents of, understand? Then you paste. And even if you don't like this type, you can say I want to write a book on honest diet. Can you suggest a table of contents for me? So there are different varieties, different ways to do it, and you still arrive at the same place. What we are fighting for just to get ideas of the book we want to write about, because we are modeling, we're not copying other people. Do you understand? And you click on this. So look at the table of contents. You can see everything that is unfolding here. So it has only what? It has 12 chapters. So you can see this is how to write your cookbook. You can choose 1 to 5 chapters if you are lazy. But if you want to do an extensive work, it's good. Even if it's gonna take you 2 days, it's still the same thing. So all you just have to fight for is to write a good book that will sell, that will keep selling. Look at chapter 3. It says breakfast delights, nutrient-packed breakfast options, recipes for energizing mornings. So all these things. Okay, first maybe like you can ask it to write me chapter 3. Write me chapter 3. So everybody has the way they do theirs. But this is a very easy and quicker ways to do it. So this is chapter 3. Do you understand? So I should take me chapter 3 like this. But me, what I used to do is that once they give me suggestions like this, chapter 3, breakfast delight is often held as the most important meal of the day. So and so. Then this one, section 1 says nutrient-packed breakfast options. 1.1 says the power of whole grains. Learn about the benefits of whole grains and discover how they can be the foundation of healthy or niche diet. So I can ask it to write me the recipes of whole grains, how to make whole grains meal. Understand? I can say write me the steps. Write me steps of how to make whole grain meal with ease recipes. With ease what? Recipes. Then you are gonna see what Chatgpt will do for us now. So just follow me as I'm showing you. It's not difficult to do. So when we scroll down here, you see it here. Chatgpt is even done self. So you can see it. Instructions. Okay, look at ingredients. Recipe holds some whole grain broil. Ingredients. Look at the recipes here. That is the ingredients. The instructions. Choose your whole grain. Select your favorite whole grain or a combination of grain. That is the grain you're going to use. Number 2 is to cook it. Prepare the vegetables. All these things you just copy them, paste it on your MS Word or Google Docs and arrange them well. You understand? Before the formatting. And I've done a video on how to format all these kind of things. Do you understand? So this is how to get content for your book. Just small you get it. Small you get it. Small you get it. Then you arrange it well. Now if you want to, I can even copy this thing now. Whole grain meals, sorry, that's a mistake. Whole grain meals with these recipes. I can copy it now. Then I'll move over to YouTube here and I'll paste it on YouTube. Alright, whole grain foods to eat. How to cook whole grains. Simple. Look at it here. What I used to do, I would just...
Whole grains are the building blocks of a healthy and nutritious diet. While some cultures are masters at incorporating tasty grains into their cooking, whole grains may be foreign to your dinner table, but they need not be. Grains are very easy to cook and extremely versatile.
That's how I'll keep going.
In fact, grains you can serve them as a side,
if I add
or
like
turn
2
them into
or
a
3,
hearty and delicious.
Sorry. If I add like 2 or 3 images from this video, it's okay for me. Do you understand? It's okay. Anybody who sees these images will understand what I'm talking about. After that, then I'll arrange my book into a very nice display. Arrange them in MS Word or Google Docs or VC, anyone you are using. Then after that, then you go over to that video I posted on YouTube and watch how to format it. After that, you design your book cover, you find your keywords, you upload, and everything is settled. Do you understand? So that shouldn't be a rocket science for you. I hope you understood this video. If you are having any challenges, let me know, so I can also attend to you.